Welcome to the future of urban living. Welcome to The Wave by Raghava, shaping up right here in the growth corridor of Kollur. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. I'm Alfred from Raghava, a brand synonymous with world-class project, top-notch quality and trust. The construction work at Wave is progressing at a brisk pace and I take immense pleasure in updating you about the construction progress as on 3rd November 2025. The Wave project comprises of 4 towers and each tower has 2 level basements. In Tower 1, 2 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. First to 21st floor works are 100% completed. The 22nd floor works are in progress. In Tower 2, 2 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 21st floor are 100% completed. The 22nd floor works are in progress. In Tower 3, 2 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 20th floor are 100% completed. The 21st floor works are in progress. In Tower 4, 2 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. The first floor to 14th floor works are 100% completed. The 15th floor works are in progress. The clubhouse excavation works are completed. The foundation works are in progress. We at Raghava ensure absolute transparency in delivering unparalleled quality at every stage of construction and give you regular monthly insights of Wave project progress.